seen a watermelon explode before? I doubt it. You have? Well, we're gonna do it again. Pow! Here's a beautiful little victim right over here. So, the dealio is that we're gonna put a shit ton of rubber bands around it until it fucking explodes. So for that we've got 1, 2, a couple packs of rubber bands. Hopefully this will be enough, and let's get it! Time lapse! Why does it smell like burning rubber? No, you will go nowhere, bitch. Don't even try me. This is gonna take a while, man. 4 at a time. Strong man. Okay, maybe not 4. 3 at a time. I can do it. I can fucking do it. And there you go. Easy as that. You saw that? I didn't even break a sweat. That was so easy. Like taking candy from a lion. It was that easy, bruh. You've ever heard about the rapper Post Malone? He blew up. It's a lot easier when you scream. So what did you do on your Friday evening? I blew up a watermelon. But that's just me, you know? Six at a time. You believe me? 6 at a time, like freaking Arnold Schwarzenegger up in this bitch. God damn! Come on. Woo! You see this? Easy, bruh, easy. You got to really stretch it out and put it on, just like a condom. Yo, call me a fucking sex teacher if you will. I think I just found a new method, boys. Revolutionary. So this is a great technique, you know. If you don't have any knives in your home, just buy a pack of rubber bands and have at it. Oh my fucking god! No. Okay, very good. Don't even worry about it, bruh. Hey, you there. You. Yes, you. Don't be scared. What are you scared about? You're not the one who's gonna get this entire face covered in watermelon juices. Hey! Do you like the word moist? Because you're gonna see a whole lot of it right here. So I saw Kanye West the other day. You know what he was doing? He was walking east.
Oh fuck. I can't believe you've done this.
God. The definition of insanity is all over again. I'm a bit scared, I won't lie. If you can explode a watermelon without pitching out, you're a man. I do this shit for a living. I explode watermelons. Sometimes I use knives, sometimes I use dynamite. This one time I remember, I used a pack of Tic Tacs. I went to London with a watermelon in my one hand and a box of Tic Tacs, Tiki-Tikis in my other. Went up to this dude who I like to call Mr. Tic Tac. Other people may know him as Tic Tac Head. And then I was like, yo, bitch, you want to know what he did? He punched my watermelon with such force that it just bursted everywhere. You stand up straight, soldier. You feel me, bruh? Slap that down there. Slap it on there like she's a little bitch. And just slap it on there like this. Pow! This is one ugly as watermelon. Look at it. Look how much it's deformed. Leave a comment down below if you like peanuts. What the fuck is a platypus? I think God was just like, you know what? Everything makes so much sense, so let's just build one creature that doesn't make any sense at all. Angels, give me the most retarded idea you could ever think of. An animal with a beak and a beaver tail that lays eggs. Genius! I mean, retarded! I'm enjoying this shit so much. I slap it on there. Look at it. Look at it go. It's like, no. I will not give in. Never. You will never see me explode. Never. Do you know that some monkeys like to throw their shit as a sign of dominance? Wait. Ah! 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 I didn't get scared. And just like that, you know, easy peasy lemon squeezy, or more like watermelony, Post Malone decided to make another song and explode. Peace!
I took a white bitch to store, plus that little bitch got a throat. Fuck, I like to rock it on this.